Friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about how to find the last year's sales data. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in DAX as well as Power BI and also SQL Server development, performance tuning as well as SSIS. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report. I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report. Okay, so go to the fields. Now you can see here category, customer, date, as well as geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. So we'll try to see that is also. Excuse me. So go to the model. So collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. So now we can see that we have enabled the relationship between dimensions and fact. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on these key columns in the date table, date column, in the internet sales order date key, I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact table. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like a one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship to other tables also. So in going forward, I'll try to speak more on these different kind of options, like how to detect a relationship automatically or how to create a relationship manually. We'll try to see all kind of options. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report only. Just click on report. So now we can see that we have two slices, one is year and another one is region. So this is the month information. So here the requirement is, for example, I have 10 years of data. Okay, I have 10 years of data. So if I want to see all the 10 years data in a month wise, it's very difficult. So that is the reason. So I created a scenario like, based on the year selection, I want to see the last 2 years data. For example, in this example, I have 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. 4 years are there. So based on the selection, for example, if I click on 2004, I want to see the selected year minus as well as the previous year. So it means that 2 years data I want to see the based on the selection. Okay, so if I click on 2004 as well as 2003, 2 years data. And also we can notice that based on year also we are changing the color. So for example, in 2004 I have selected. So here we can see that from January to July 2004, from January to December 2003 data. We'll get a question, so why July 2004? But in our fact table we have sales up to July month only. So that is the reason we are getting only July only. Okay, if we have complete December means we'll try to show that is also. For example, I'll try to click on 2003. Now you can see that from January to December 2002 sales as well as January to December 2003. Even you can see the difference between the year, difference between the color change between the year. In 2004 different color, in 2003 different color. So likewise I have designed a report, so you can select anything. So it works dynamically. We are trying to show based on the selected year, we are trying to show the 24 months with respect to the selected year. So for example, if I click on 2003, so we are showing 2003 as well as 2002. For example, if I select 2002, we are showing complete year 2002. But here we can see that up to July only we are getting in this. When I click on 2002, why means in 2001 we have sales starting from the July month only. We do not have sales from the January month. So that is the reason we are able to see in 2001 from July month only up to December. but in 2002 we are getting from January to December. Okay, so likewise you can select anything, it works dynamically. Even you can see the differentiator. But when I click on 2001, we are getting only July to December only, because there is no previous year. Okay, what are the months available in that last month, we are getting that is. Okay, so it works. So even you can change based on the reason if you want to find, because if you have more is updated displaying each month, where we need to scroll down. So that is the reason I have created. So there are some cases will get requirement like this to get this and all. Okay, so we can see. So this line is a profit. So we can study. So each month year wise, what is the profit? So which month is doing more, which month is profit getting more, so we can analyze, understand the business and all. Okay, for example, if I did not select, you can see that. So it is showing last 24 months, but the color is not affecting. Okay, whenever I select, so immediately we will get the color. If I didn't select, you will not get any color, but if I select means definitely will get a color with each year wise. So I'll try to show what kind of expressions I have written to get this report done. So go to the demo measures. So first I'll write a total sales. So I have used the calculate sum function to get the total sales, and total profit same. So instead of taking the sales amount, I have used the profit column. That's it only. There is no big difference between the total sales and profit. So we'll try to show. Just a minute. Dynamic value. So profit, I'll try to zoom it. So here you can see that I am taking the what are the year we have selected. So I'm just taking that. So based on that, in a slicer, what are the year we have selected, I'm just capturing and keeping the variable. And also I'm taking the max number in the selected year. What is the number? Okay, I'm taking the number based on the selection. After that, so I'm just taking the 2 years back. Okay, based on the selection, I'm going back to the 2 years, selected year -2. So and finally, based on the condition, I have written the expression on that. Okay, so like that. So I have written this expression for a filter, and also same thing for the profit also, sales amount also same thing. You can use the same expression only. There is no difference and all, but only the difference is we are just changing the sales amount column instead of profit. So that is the only difference. Remaining everything is same only. So there is no change at all. So likewise, I have created this report. I hope you like this report design. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Stay tuned for further videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.